just like his Yamaha teammate Cooper Webb, that guy right there, Eli Tomac, is going to miss at least 6 to 8 weeks after he had surgery on his thumb, which, correct me if I'm wrong, was a Bennett fracture, something like that, which he collected in the free practice in Denver. So sucks. There goes what was a pretty good season for him. And then this, I mean, obviously it was right after the news that he was signed on or ready to race outdoors, and everyone was excited for it because Eli Tomac and outdoors, that just goes together so well. And we do have some news. This coming from Racer X, where they did a pretty good, I don't want to say in depth, but pretty good interview. And at the bottom, he was asked about donations, which said his answer was, quote, "If I'm in the position to race it and I'm top two in those open or 450 classes, yes, sign me up. It's a race like no other, but there is no environment like it. Yeah, it's a very cool event for us, but right now I've got to keep myself in shape, so it's not like I'm out 6 months this time. I'm out for a couple of months, so I'll be cross training and hanging out with my family as much as I can, and really just trying to get ready for the latter part of the summer of racing. Those are my goals and those are my intentions. Although I don't have this under contract yet, that's what I want to try and do. Right now, my mindset Right now, that's my mindset, and we're doing everything that we can to make that happen. And as far as I'm reading from this, apparently his plan is to come back for Southwick, which is awesome for me because that's the race I will be going to. So comment down below if you're planning on going to any nationals, and if so, which ones. I know a lot of people do 2 or 3 depending on how far they are from them all, but Southwick is the one I go to, and it's always fun. And that's June 29th. So yeah, he'll be out for 6 or 8 weeks with the surgery, but at least, like I said with the Cooper thing, at least it's a hand injury where you can still be, pedal biking, you can still do leg training, you can still do some lifting depending on how you hold it. Like, obviously, you're not going to be doing anything with a strong hand grip like dumbbells or whatever like that, but you can still do a lot of training and keep yourself physically fit, which I'm assuming with how Tomac is. Like, there's going to be no point if he's going to come next to race. He's not going to come back unfit. It's a guy who has always been late race, still good, still has the pace, still has the cardio and it's the stamina to do it. So when he comes back, I highly doubt he's going to not be a factor. Like, obviously, he'll be out of the championship completely. You're just racing now for motocross points and for the SMX playoffs, but he still has the chance to come back, maybe take a couple wins from Jet, depending on how this season goes, and still be competitive, which is kind of all that's needed. Like, and if it goes on, and he is one of the top guys, which highly doubt he won't be. If we see him for another donations, it's going to be cool. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to see him if he does get back for Southwick. And just, you know, outdoors is always different. Personally, I like watching outdoors in person better. You get that much closer to it. You can fully smell the race fuel, and I just think it's a better in-person experience than Supercross is. But I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me, would you like to see him in the nations? Would you like to see somebody else? Like I said, are you going to any nationals? And if so, which ones? Whatever it is. Are you excited for motocross? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.